If you run an online store, now more than ever, your live chat and customer support can either make you win or lose sales. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing three of the most popular options right now: live chat versus Intercom versus Tidio. They all promise AI, automation, and better customer support, but they are not built for the same size businesses or the same budget, better yet. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing their features, pricing, and the best use cases so you can pick the right one for your website or SaaS. Now, let's dive in. To kick things off, what is LiveChat? LiveChat is a dedicated live chat and customer service platform focused on real-time support, sales, and engagement. You install a widget on your site and your team can chat with visitors, answer questions, and close more sales in real time. Some standout things that it offers are customizable chat widget, canned responses, file sharing, chat tags, and also sneak peek typing. It also offers built-in reports and analytics and over 200 integrations with tools like Shopify, WordPress, CRMs, and email platforms. I would say LiveChat is best for small to mid-sized businesses and e-commerce brands that want to focus on high-quality live chat tool with strong analytics and integrations. On the other hand, what is Intercom? Intercom is a full customer service suite, not just live chat. It combines live chat and in-app messages, shared help desks and inbox, AI agent, workflows, and automated campaigns, also product tours, surveys, and proactive support banners. Intercom is designed for SaaS companies and fast-growing businesses that need multi-channel support, chat, email, in-app messages, and more, all in one place. It is best for startups, SaaS products, and larger teams that want an all-in-one support plus engagement plus automation platform. And on the other hand, what is Tidio? Tidio is a live chat and AI chatbot platform that's very popular with On the other hand, what is Tidio? Tidio is a live chat and AI chatbot platform that's very popular with small e-commerce stores and SMBs. It combines live chat widget, AI agent, chatbot flows and automations, and a lightweight help desk interface. The big angle with Tidio is scale customer service without losing the human touch by letting AI handle repetitive questions while humans jump into more complex chats. And I would say Tidio is best for small to mid-sized e-commerce brands and SMBs that want a mix of live chat plus affordable AI automation. And if we were to look on the bigger picture when it comes onto these platforms, for example, with LiveChat, it specializes in live chat platform. For example, when it comes on to live chat, it is a live chat. For example, when it comes on to live chat, it is a specialized live chat platform with strong chat features and analytics, while Intercom offers a full AI-powered customer service suite for SaaS and larger teams, and Tidio is a budget-friendly live chat and AI chatbot combo, especially attractive for e-commerce. If you want a pure live chat tool, look at LiveChat. And if it is a case that you want a pure live chat tool, I would recommend that you either try out LiveChat or Tidio. If you want a full customer service system and in-app messaging, I would recommend that you go with Intercom. Now let's look at their pricing. When it comes onto LiveChat, you can get started for as low as $19 per month, and it can go up to $79 per month. And I'll be leaving a link in the description which will allow you to sign up and try out their platform for completely free. And if we were to check out the pricing of Intercom, as you can see right here, when it comes onto Intercom, if we were to select build monthly, you can see their prices start off at $39 per month, and it can go up to $139 per month. And they also offer a free 14-day trial period. When it comes onto Tidio, you can get started for as low as $29 per month, and it goes up to $749 per month. And I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up and test out the platform for completely free also. With this information on hand, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose LiveChat if if you mainly want a high-quality live chat with strong chat features and reporting, or you're an SMB or e-commerce brand that already has other tools or help desks or CRM and just need a great chat layer, and you value stability, UI simplicity, and analytics, and you're okay paying per agent. LiveChat is basically that do one thing really well solution for real-time conversations. And I would recommend you choose Intercom if you're a SaaS product startup or larger team that wants a single and I would recommend you choose Intercom if you're a SaaS product startup or larger team that wants a single customer service suite that offers live chat, help desks, AI, email, and in-app messaging and automations in one. Or you want to proactively message users in your app, run onboarding tours, and centralize all channels. Or you have the budget for a premium enterprise-grade tool and want to build your entire support interface on it. Intercom is the strongest option if you want an all-in-one AI-powered customer service stack. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend you choose Tidio if you're a small to mid-sized e-commerce store or SMB that wants live chat plus affordable AI chatbots, and you like the idea of starting on a free plan then upgrading as conversations grow, and you want a simple, fast setup with Shopify, WordPress, or a similar platform. Tidio is ideal if you want maximum value and automation for a lower monthly cost. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.